Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to add a location sticker on Snapchat. First of all, you need to make sure that you go on your camera section and then you should make a photo or you should choose from your gallery. In this case I will go and make a black photo, and then on my right side I have 4, 6, 7, 8 sides that I have chosen. I need to choose the third side. And here, as you can see, also I have 6 sides on my beside photo, but I need to choose the third one that says location. Go and click on it. Now here are the places that has been selected by the Google Drive that has been connected with your Snapchat. Go click on the location and find the place that you want to select it right there. For example, this place. And then go send to, go my story for example, or send to someone. And guys, now you know how to add location sticker on Snapchat. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.